What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So here is my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. I made some changes and I finally hit the $100 mark on my dividend portfolio, which is very exciting. I put some time in, picked up a lot of shifts during the when the bug was around. I really felt like I needed to help people out, and there was a lot of money being offered, and the hard work is paying off right now. I'm up $302.31. Have a 13.15% return. I'll show you what I sold and what changes I made. Now, again, if you watch my previous videos, my monthly dividends I really needed to focus on because I have these big stocks. I don't have the money to have multiple stocks. And I'll explain why with some of the bigger stocks that I did sell them and focus on other stocks. Because I do have a lot of companies. I might have went too fast into it to let the compound interest start kicking in before I started adding more stocks. So let me show you what I did. So let me just show you my activity. So I sold Boeing. I only had one share of Boeing, and I wasn't really happy with, you only have one share. What am I going to do with one share of Boeing? I'm not going to get anything. So, what, $1? I mean, for just one thing of Boeing once it starts giving its dividends off again. So I'm going to focus on that probably in the future once I start getting more money with my dividends and the compound interest starts kicking in. You can bet your ass I'm going to go back to Boeing. Global X Super Dividend ETF, I just wasn't happy with the way it fluctuated and how it's done against the S&P. So I got rid of that one, and I just wasn't too happy. Welltower, I probably will buy in the future. It's just not really worth it at the moment to end up buying. So KeyCorp, KeyBank, I actually sold it on here, and I bought KeyBank on my E-Trade dividend portfolio. I got about 10 shares right now with them, but in the long run, I mean, it gives off 4 to 5% dividend. It's not too bad against the S&P, and I always go through the phrase "take it to the bank." So that's one thing that's really important with your dividend portfolio. So I have Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund. That one's been kind of steady. It gives off like right around 19 to 20 cents per share, and it's with the monthly dividend. To get 20 cents, 30 cents, or I'm sorry, 20, and then eventually start getting more money with that, and this starting to fund more of my stocks and stuff. That's what I'm going for, is the compound interest with these monthly dividends. Same thing with QYLD, Global X, NASDAQ covered ETF. I'll show you the percentage on what I have in these stocks. Same thing with land. These are five stocks right here. This is kind of like a bond, SRET. Just gives off a very strong dividend, and it goes after like the biggest dividend paying stocks. I could get rid of that in the future. Don't quote me on that, but that could be an option to get rid of if I don't like what I see. SPHD, I definitely added more shares to that one. Again, previously I had like up to 4,000 shares with it. I'm sorry, not 4,000 shares, $4,000 worth of SPHD. And I had right around, what was it? Maybe around 100 shares or so. And I got like 40, like I would almost get a share of SPHD each time. And the dividend is what's nice with it. Some stocks that I'm considering is Vanguard VYM. That's one that's very attractive. I'm looking into. It gives off a obviously a good dividend, and it has done well against the S&P. But SPHD, SRET, Land, QYLD, and Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund, those are some stocks that I own, and I plan on basically start funding the dividend portfolio so that I can start buying more shares. Again, I need to focus on these monthly dividend stocks. So Medtronic gave me a nice They gave me 66 cents. IIPR gave me $8.11. Global X Super Dividend ETF gave me 25 cents. Keurig Dr. Pepper, it gave me a small amount, but so far it's not doing too bad. And of course, I bought Global X Super Dividend and I got rid of it. I just didn't like that. Recent ones, was buying and selling. I just didn't like it. So I got rid of it. And here's my portfolio right now. IIPR, let's just show holdings. So IIPR, I have 7 shares. I need to get that a little bit higher. So I'm considering changing the percentage-wise on it. Coca-Cola, I have 10 shares. I have 13 of Pfizer, 12 shares of AT&T, 9 of SPHD, 5 of Unilever, 14 on QYLD, 6 on Brookfield Infrastructure Partners, Royal Caribbean Cruises. I have $5.69 in that. Iron Mountain, I'm at $10.56. XOM Mobile, $6.48. So applying the Ramey method, things are looking pretty sharp. Fastenal's up. AstraZeneca, obviously, with the vaccine race. I have almost 4 shares in them. WestRock, I know they, sliced or they reduced their dividend. That'll be back. Delta Airlines, I'm at 7 shares. They are taking flight, so I probably will need to increase the percentage on it since it's down. LTC Properties, I'm at 4.977 shares. That's one I need to get going. Ryman Hospitality Properties, I probably should start adding more into that. Discover Financial, I am up. That's one I might consider selling. We'll see. I am up 49.05% on that. Pembina Pipeline, I need to get that one going. Another monthly dividend stock. Starbucks has been down. Hormel Foods is back. Need to add some of those. Disney will be back. Bank of America, they give off a pretty nice dividend. Cheesecake Factory, it's crazy that I put money in them when they were down. I should have, honestly, I probably should have just put them on my E-Trade dividend portfolio, but I like what I see, so I'll just keep them there and see what will happen in the long run. SRIT 859, Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund 263. So you're seeing I'm starting to reduce certain stocks. Again, I'm at $7,000. I may have to make a decision to sell some of these stocks. Not sure which ones yet, if I have to, but that's kind of what's going on right now with my dividend portfolio. Things are looking very strong. Again, I have 33 positions, but 33 is probably enough for right now because I need, it might be too much, but things are looking very strong with this, and I really like what I see. So I'm going to let these things, fly. The monthly dividends, I want to at least get 20 shares in them before I start making some bigger moves and go from there. But so far, so good. Let me know what you guys think. Again, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Make sure you give me a like. I put a lot of time in this, put a lot of time in these videos. So, make sure that other people can see this by, hitting the like button and smashing it. So that's how things are looking right now. Let me know what you think. I sold that 1 share of Boeing. Kind of happy I did that. Let me know what you guys think with the call on that. So, let me know what you guys think of the stocks that I have. If it's a good move, if I should hold them, or what do you think? So just let me know. I hope you guys are having a good Saturday. I clocked out at a very good time. As you can tell, I'm wearing my scrubs pretty much. And I'm going to eat, hit the shower, and then go to bed. But that's about it for me. So I'm glad things are doing well with the market. How are your dividend stocks doing? How's your dividend portfolio? Which stocks do you buy that are hot? Let me know right now. Dividend stocks. I like what I see. I'm at $100, baby. Earn dividends. So we're getting there. It'll start getting to 1,000, and it's going to start getting bigger, and it's going to start getting bigger, and it's going to be exciting. So my goal is to get about $1,000, $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends. So I will get there. It's just going to take time. Again, I'm going to graduate school. I got the little heebie-jeebies and the nerves, but I'm ready to roll in August, almost a month away, and yeah, we're gonna let things ride and go from there. So that's about it. Death Star is starting to get those turbo lasers ready to roll, and I'm ready to roll. I hope you guys are ready to roll with your dividend portfolios because I'm fired up, man. I got my first $100, and I know how that feels with a lot of you guys. You got your first $100, on one of those, and that's always exciting. So that's about it. So I hope you guys have a good Saturday and be safe out there. Make sure you wash your hands and go from there. So take care and have a good